Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really adorable shadow box for you. This is my cute Bunnies shadow box. How adorable is that shadow box? There's those cute little bunnies there in the front, and you have the Easter eggs all over the grass with some foliage there in the background. Just a really fun design. This one is really fun to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your weeding tool, scraper, brayer, foam squares if you'd like to add some dimension between the layers, your shadow box, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2025. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If your shadow box is larger or you're going to be using this on a card, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to layer the shadow box. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, light blue, blue, pink, green, cream, light brown, and then brown. You can use foam squares if you wish. I would probably use foam squares behind the cream layer, the blue, and then the light blue. I'm just going to layer everything inside my shadow box, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that right now. Now I've already gone ahead and added the pins that come with this particular shadow box. I'll set the backing to the side. And now I'm just going to start layering the design. There we go. I will take my backing piece and close up the shadow box. And there is our really cute shadow box. I hope that you like it. What did you think of this one? Wasn't it super cute? I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.